Look at the drip. Check out the drip. Check out the drip. 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 Check out the drip.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, cool. Alright. You good? Welcome guys back to another video here at Monster Performance with your boy Lee Bird. I know you guys have seen this beautiful thing in the background in quite a few videos. Now this car has been my headache for like the last 3 months. One of the baddest and cleanest R32s in Florida. Belongs to Scott. And it's finally leaving. It's finally leaving. So, I figured I might as well show you guys what I'd be so busy on when I'm not making a video for you guys. This is a GTR 32. We got it fully redone. It's still RB26. It's all-wheel drive. Choice of color. It's nice. Very clean. Not my color. Should have been red, right? Yeah, but it's not mine, so I can't choose. As we make our way around here, he has these beautiful TE37s, you know, nice and black. Brembos in the back, nicely powder coated. Not done by me, but the color combination is really good. You know, come on, we're going on to the back. It's rain outside, so beautiful LED taillights, beautiful titanium Tome exhaust. I forgot what they call this, but it's
Duckbill diffuser.
No, it has a name for it, but yeah.
Additional wing.
Yeah, we can Google it or something. Well, this side is just like that side. This side is just like that side. So let's just get on to more detail. So this car came to me from another shop. It was having some electrical issues, and I told Scott if he's gonna bring it here, we're gonna go with what I want. It did have Haltech in it, but it did have stock harness and the older Platinum. Don't mind my dog barking in the background. He wants to be in the video. So I told Scott if he's gonna bring it to me, we're gonna go with my plan, my setup. So he agreed and he brought the car to me, and we went ahead and did Elite 2500, upgraded the car to drive-by-wire, and I made a completely new wire harness for the car. And everything was peachy from there. Then, one great old day, we started up and the fan exploded. With that happening, we needed a radiator, so that prolonged the car. I'm just trying to tell you guys why the car was here so long. We waited, we got a new radiator. Then we went to start it and the timing belt jumped because the fan exploded. So you guys get the drift. So then it needed a built head. So it was on the back burner while we waited for a head. So we end up doing a fully built head now, and it's together and it's running and it dynoed and it works and everything works in the car now. Oh yeah, it makes 720. I think it made 550 foot-pounds of torque somewhere there. I'll insert a video or a clip of the dyno sheet somewhere in here for you guys. But I figured I should show you guys what's going on.
Good.
So let me guys show you this beautiful power plant we have in this thing here. Alright, so Scott liked titanium, so we got some titanium piping made for his vehicle, for his liking, which is very beautiful, and it goes with the engine bay very nice. We also upgraded him some PRP cam gears. He has PRP, well, these are Hypertune valve covers, Hypertune intake. We did the Bosch drive-by-wire 82mm throttle body, and you can see the wiring loom has my little signature on there, red and black loom. So if you guys see a car with red and black loom, it's probably got done here at Monster. Everything else was pretty much on the car. We just kind of went over the car and made sure everything was good, wired, and works. So the car still has AC, functional in four-wheel drive, power steering, just all the basic essentials so you can drive it daily. Scott was telling me this car is supposed to be in Super Street, I believe. So hopefully we see the car in Super Street now that it's completed. Oh yeah, he has a titanium hood prop. Like,
Jeez.
this man loves titanium. Look at this.
Money.
Titanium. Right. So
Money.
that's pretty much for the engine bay. This is a very, very clean and simple engine bay. I like this. I wish I could do some pulls for y'all, but I can't. Probably when I drop it off tomorrow. Maybe if it's not raining, because like it's raining now, Scott will probably do some pulls in it and I'll record it for you guys. I am inside the cockpit, this beautiful thing. He had the dash suede. It looked like he redid the door panels. He has some nice bright seats in here. They also suede Nismo carpet. He has a double den. I did the Haltech switch here for different power levels, and he also has like the Haltech dash. Some Defi gauges, of course. You know, we got to keep it JDM. I got pretty much every sensor hooked up to this thing. His fuel gauge actually works. If you guys look, when you turn the car on, it starts at 100, and then it goes down to the right level. We have the wideband, oil pressure, coolant temp, air temp. Has an oil light in case it's stalled. So this thing's really badass. The turn signals on there, you know, I'm pretty sure. I'm not doing a review for Haltech, but you guys know. Look at that. That's beautiful. So go ahead and start it up for you guys. This car is drive-by-wire now, so it has like a Nissan 350Z pedal, which is sweet. So alright, as you can see, everything is nice and clean and simple in here. The AC works really great. I also added a two-wheel four-wheel drive switch for him over here. That is really bright. And I mean, that's pretty much it for the inside. It's simple. I would definitely like daily this if I had it. This thing is clean and comfortable. So oof, look at that nice cold AC. Yeah, cool. So that's about it for the inside. Since we're done reviewing that till I get to drop it off, I'm gonna use the rest of my Saturday, and I got an LED kit for the G, you know, because I have nothing else better to do on the G but to add LEDs at the bottom of it. So underglow on the LED. It's on the lift because it needs tires already after we already killed the brand new tires that was on it. So I'll be putting some tires on it hopefully today, and we gonna install these Throwback Series LED underglow lighting. See the contents of the kit here. It has a bag full of stuff, and I think this has like that controller thingy. So I mean, the boy probably just gonna be doing one color. Probably just gonna wire them in on the headlights or something. I don't know. I'll figure out what I'm doing. But that's connectors, all the double-sided tape you could think of on the LEDs, so we can make a party. Oh yeah, I was definitely not playing at the box, but let's see what we can do. Steve gonna give me a hand. Right, Steve?
Yep, let me get done.
We're gonna drink beer and install LED lights on our G.
Oh, and I can hear Haitian out there. He's here too, working on his Banshee. By the way, if y'all didn't know, my wife's E450 gapped the Banshee, and he's been trying to do everything to try to beat my bike. So we'll see. I got a little creative, and I made a little bracket for the front because obviously there's nowhere to stick it in the front unless you stick it under the bumper, which would be gay. And then we just stuck these at the side, on both sides. I don't think we're gonna do any in the back here for now. You know, the way my laziness is working right now, who needs LEDs in the rear? So now just to wire it up, I guess. I think I'm gonna just drill a hole through the car right there, silicone it to seal it up, and then I can run the wires on the inside and be done. And then we can have LEDs and be done. All right, so we got the ground effects LEDs, underglow kit, whichever one you call it. We got it done in the G. We're gonna test it out and show y'all right now what it looks like. I got some new tires on the rear, so I can rip this thing some more. Hold on, let me take the lights off. All right, so lights off. They got this little handy dandy remote. Got it on and off. Boom, look at that. I know I don't have none in the back. I told y'all I wasn't gonna have one in the back. It actually looks pretty, it looks pretty good. Damn. I get more dark. Damn. I think it got colors too, hold on. I'm pushing, oh yeah. Fancy. We ready for the party. Damn, it actually shows a lot under there.
It does.
So like, I can't wait till I put it outside. When I put it outside, y'all see it better. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Like, share, subscribe, comment. You know, we got some new merch coming soon. See you later.